Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to find TDC. This is top dead center on Ford Fiesta guys. Doesn't matter if it's ST or if you have a regular Fiesta as well with the 1.6, especially here in the US. The Europe version, the 1.0 might be close as well, but we'll show you how to find TDC point on that thing guys. Now this is the tool that we use right here, okay? It comes, that's the timing tool. We have all the links in the description of the video posted. So this is the tool, this is the timing pin for the crankshaft, this is for TDC point. Okay, so we're going to need this one, and now I'm going to, okay, pass the camera here so I can get under the car quick. Okay. Okay, give me just a second now. Okay, so right there you can see there is a bolt. Okay, usually it's with a 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove it. Okay, and we're going to place that pin in place of the bolt. Just screw it all the way. Okay, make sure that it's all the way in. Perfect. Now let me get out quick. Okay, and let me show you here now. Okay, we have 18mm socket or offset box wrench, and we're going to turn the engine clockwise. Clockwise, always go clockwise. But I'll stick the pin inside to show you how the piston will start going up. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the engine. Okay, that's it, that's top dead center. After that, it's going to come down. But you can definitely hear hitting the pin. Listen now. Okay, this is hitting the pin guys. Never go backwards on it, but we just go for the demonstrational video. Now, right here on top we have the timing marks. We have a special video for the timing, how to set the timing. It's very complicated and you definitely have to watch the video if you're doing anything like that. We have that dot here and this one on top. So that just a guidance to tell you that you're at top dead center. Of course you can do it just the way it is now, but we have the video, okay, because for timing you're going to hold the camshafts on the back side with a plate here. You have another tool that we're going to hold the flywheel to the starter. That's why the whole motor is apart. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Many more videos to come guys, and see you next time.